You want to see Bigfoot? That's Bigfoot right there. Look, Bigfoot. Let's see Bigfoot. Bigfoot right there, Bigfoot. Spin it, Bigfoot. Spin it. Spin it, Bigfoot. Spin it. There we go. Like that. There's Tiger. Let's go see Tiger. What you say, Tiger?
Hi guys, how's your day going?
Welcome to TigerBox HD.
TigerBox HD.
It's been a while since we've seen you guys.
Hi.
Hi, see baby says say hi. Tiger, what are you playing, Tiger?
Today I'm playing Xbox One Edition Minecraft.
Xbox One Edition Minecraft. There he is. That's Tiger. He's building something. Ooh, who's that? Santa Claus?
No, it's Javen.
Javen is Santa Claus. Oh, spin it, baby. Spin it, spin.
I didn't hit.
Okay, spin it, Tiger. There we go. Hey, baby Seth. Yeah, spin it. Spin it. Good job. You like this? Yeah? What you doing?
Guess I have to do that.
Tiger, ask how your fan doing.
How you guys doing, huh?
Are you having fun over the weekend? 3-day weekend?
Yep.
Oh, baby Seth you want to spin it again. Spin it, baby Seth. Tiger is playing Minecraft with his cousin, Javen and Tristan.
No, Marco.
Oh, Marco. And where Marco come from? What state? Say hi, Marco. What state?
Huh?
What state Marco live in? Baby Steph, baby Steph. Yeah. Marco live in Texas. You want to see Bigfoot? That's Bigfoot right there. Look, Bigfoot. Let's see Bigfoot. Bigfoot right there, Bigfoot.
No, give me another.
Let's see Bigfoot. 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 Spin it. Yeah. Spin it. What you doing, Tiger? Talk to your fan. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
It's been a long time since I'm on TigerBox HD. We'll up some more videos. Just been so busy with our other channel. Okay, check out our other channel. Check out my dad's channel.
I got nothing else to talk about.
We ain't got nothing else to talk with. But baby Seth. Hi, baby Seth. Baby Seth's growing up. He's walking now. He can be 2 next month. Baby Seth, turn the light on. Yeah, show. Turn the light on. Look, that's the power.
Yep.
Push the light, baby Seth. There we go. Yeah. Ooh, awesome. Turn on. Turn off. Ooh, look at that. That's bright. Don't look at it, baby Seth. Don't look at it. It's too bright. There we go. Blinking. Oh, here you go. You're supposed to be Iron Man. Right there, Iron Man like that. Let's see. Put it on, Tiger. Iron Man. Oh, baby Seth won it. Okay, baby Seth. We try to spin it. Okay, Tiger, what you say?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, TigerBox
HD.
Make sure to subscribe and like this. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What's up, guys? If you like this video and like to see more video, please subscribe and like, please. Thank you.